and welcome to the video. So today we're going to be working on this 1985 Honda Aero 80 again. In the last video you saw that I got it cleaned up and even got it running for a bit, but that was short-lived as I dropped a tiny little piece of the carburetor and it disappeared into the void. So today we're going to be trying to get it running again with some new parts, an intake manifold and a new carburetor to try. So yeah, let's get right into it. So there was a bit of a jump from last video. Y'all didn't see me take apart basically this whole rest of the scooter here, and that's where we are now. All right, so here are the parts that I ordered for it, starting with this little intake manifold. This is actually for a Honda Aero, but supposedly from a random forum post, this will fit, and the bolt pattern seems like it lines up, so we'll test that here in a second. I also got a new carburetor, which was like the $30 Amazon special, so hopes are not high for this one, but we'll test it out here in a second. Alright, so I did get this intake manifold to fit here. I did have to grind out that bottom bolt hole because it was just a hair off. Kind of loosely put the whole engine connected back to the frame. I'm gonna try and crank it here and see if it'll turn over. So now I got it to run. I'm basically just gonna button up a few other things before trying to take it for a ride here. All right, as you can see, I got the scooter is back together as I need to try and test drive it. It's got basically no bones on it, but you know, no floor either, but should be good enough. I zip tightened the fuel line off of the head of the engine, so it's pretty safe. Wish me luck. Alright, so I just took it for its first ride after installing the new carburetor and intake and all that, and honestly it's running pretty good. I had to tune the idle a little bit, it was high, and the main thing that I found was the throttle response is real quick, it picks up real quick, but then at kind of wide open throttle, it kind of falls on its face. So I think I need to up the main jet, so that might be the next thing I'll need to do, but honestly, it was a blast. This thing's always fun to ride, and maybe I'll put the plastics back on here. All right, so I just finished throwing this thing back together. She cleans up pretty nice, and it was a lot of fun working on it. If you want to see me mess with this some more, let me know down in the comments, and thanks for making it all the way to the end. So have a good one. See ya.